Wolves are highly social animals and typically live in packs consisting of closely bonded individuals. The pack provides them with safety, means for hunting, and territorial control. Wolves can have fur ranging from white to black, including various shades of gray and brown. This diversity in fur color helps them blend into different natural environments. Wolves are known for their endurance during hunting. They can cover significant distances in search of food and pursue their prey over long distances. Wolves are among the most successful hunters in nature. Their hunting strategies often involve cooperative tactics within the pack, allowing them to successfully take down large prey such as deer or bison. Wolf howls encode information about what is happening within the pack. They use howling as signals for coordinating hunts, marking territory, and maintaining social bonds with other wolves. Wolves exhibit a strong sense of family duty. Typically, there is a breeding pair responsible for raising offspring, with many other pack members assisting in caring for the wolf pups. Wolves play a crucial role in ecosystems by regulating prey populations. Their presence can have a positive impact on biodiversity and the health of forest ecosystems.